What's going on, everybody? It's your boy James, and today we're going to be diving and flying around in the Dublin, California new exciting new development called the Francis Ranch Parks. And as we fly around, we're going to be updating you guys on a couple of things with regard to about the local real estate market, trends, give you guys a complete overview of this brand new community that is getting a whole bunch of attention from the locals and pretty much everybody from the East Bay. So guys, we're flying over the Dublin area, and currently it's toward the fall of 2025. And just want to update you guys about the Dublin real estate market. So currently right now, as September 2024, what you're seeing here is that homes in the Dublin area are selling very quickly and pretty much over above asking price. And guys, the city, Dublin, it's a very desirable area. It's really close to the San Francisco, Silicon Valley, and it draws a lot of attention with new buyers. And the reason why it's drawn a lot of attention is because that it attracts a lot of people that are interested in the suburban living and also being really accessible to the city life. So we're going to be highlighting a couple of this key area and why people like to move here. For example, it has excellent schooling system, family-friendly atmosphere, and it's really close to all the tech hubs and the tech jobs. And the price for this area in the Dublin ranges between 900,000 to 2.5 million, and they're selling relatively quickly, pretty much over above asking price. And on the right side that you see right there that we're flying over, that is the phase 1, and on the left side is phase 2. That corner unit, that corner area right there on the left side of the space, that is the park. They're gonna have 2 huge parks in this beautiful community. And just an overview about the Francis Ranch Park is a master plan, and it's on top of the eastern hill of Dublin, so we're on top of a hill. And guys, this community has pretty much a blend of modern and beauty, and it's gonna be about over 573 homes that are being built in this area, over 11 acres. Phase 1, around 5.5 acres, which is what you're seeing right here. And yeah, it's a beautiful community, and guys, the home ranges in this area, right? It ranges between 4,400 square feet all the way to 4,900 square feet, and it has a 4-bedroom, 5 full bath range. But True Mark Homes are going to be building here. Land C is going to be building here. Taylor Morrison is going to be building here. Quite a bit of developers that are working on this master plan. And the city, the park in this community, what they're doing is that they're inviting people to choose the park layout and whatnot. So it's a beautiful thing. And guys, what we're seeing here is that the builders are offering these units starting winter of 2024, which is currently right now, and they're pre-selling these community. There's no models or anything like that. What you have to do if you're interested in buying one of these is that you have to get yourself into a list. If you're interested in buying or selling or investing in the Bay Area, let us know. We'd love to help you guys out. Jump on our calendar, go to Buy with Pham. We'll help you guys out on that one. But guys, this community is super beautiful. It's really designed for people who are interested in the outdoor living and the community aspect of it. You'll see that there's a lot of parks, walking trail, playgrounds, and there's nearby regional park. There's area where you can hike, bike, and do outdoor things because we're really close to the Bay Area. Pretty much about 20-minute drive to pretty much everywhere. Shopping centers that is down the block. Costco is building right down the street down in Dublin, and Kmart is being built right there. Everything is forecasted for 2020, end of 2024, 2025 beginning. And it's a growing community, one of the fastest growing community in all of California. This is the Dublin, East Bay, Tri-County area, and beautiful place, all right guys? One of the things that draw us to it is that the school in this area is top rated, and you're getting really good access to the best public school and also the best access to the private school. And you can see right there, those are the units in the community that are being developed. Probably going to be condos on the left as phase one, and then they're going to be working on detached properties on the other phases. But yeah, there's a lot of nearby restaurants. It's a super diverse community. What you're seeing here, it's a melting pot of just everybody, right? And just know that this area sells very quickly and it's very desirable. Okay, and one of the things that I want to add while we're flying around and trying to educate you about this Dublin market is that the real estate market in the Dublin, California is super competitive, and everything is over asking price. And for a home that is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, single family, you're looking at around 1.7 million, which is 22% above listed price back in a couple of years ago, right? What you're seeing here is that if you're thinking about selling your home here, on average, it takes about 13 days for your house to go pending. Very quick. A couple of years ago, like last year, you're looking at 8 days, but now it's 13 days, which is extremely good. There's limited inventory here, and it's a very desirable area. A lot of people like it. We have a lot of people that enjoy moving into this community, and they can't wait for the phase 2 of the new construction, right? So anyways, master plan. If you guys like this type of stuff, we do have a master playlist of all the new construction that we toured, all of California, North Bay, East Bay, pretty much all of California. We serve the Bay Area, Central California, and we also serve down in Southern California, Portland, Oregon, and all that good stuff too. But yeah, it's a beautiful community. We're looking to start selling it in the next couple of months. All right, guys, this is James. If you guys want to tour these sites with us and want to learn more about it, jump on our calendar, go to buywithpham.com. We'd love to help you guys out. Other than that, enjoy the view. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love. Hey guys, are you ready to take the first step toward home ownership? Book your free appointment now and jump on our Google/Zoom meeting calendar at buywithpham.com and start your home buying journey and learn how we can help you save anywhere between $25,000 to $100,000 or more when buying. We'll go over all the programs that are available for you for first-time home buyer, teachers, doctors, police officers, and all the programs out there that can help you save thousands and thousands of dollars when it comes to buying. So we're now serving the Bay Area, all of Northern California. Also, we have partner agents in all of Central Valley, Southern California, including Irvine, Orange County, along with Portland, Oregon. If you're looking to save a ton of money when it comes to buying, jump on our calendar, go to buywithpham.com, and we'll go over all the programs out there that can help you save quite a bit. All right, guys, look forward to helping you. Peace and love. Are you a real estate agent that is tired of wasting your time hosting open houses, doing door knocking, and cold calling for leads? We created free training on how you can add an extra $343,000 in profit a year consistently by selling new construction homes using system, automations, and internet marketing in a brand new market, all without spending more than 4 hours a day in your real estate business. Even if you're a brand new agent with little marketing budget or nobody knows who you are, all you need to do is register the link below and we'll send you the new construction class training along with the text system and email system that we currently have. Here's what you'll learn in the new construction class training: how to find your niche and position yourself as an expert in your local market so then you can be popular and dominate your competition. You'll also learn how to get an endless stream of online lead chasing you down daily. You'll also learn how to automate your business and get the best sales agent in your market to prospect leads and generate sales for you 24/7 without ever complaining, leaving you, or taking a break. We're looking for a couple of agents that we can help grow their real estate business by helping them bring their real estate business using the internet. All you need to do is click on this link and register down below, and we'll send you the new construction class training. Peace and love.